Welcome back to this channel for practice problems for actuarial exams. My name is Krzysztof Ostaszewski. You can find information about me at smarturl.it/Jedi. My advice on how to pass actuarial exams is at smarturl.it/pass. This video channel with practice problems for actuarial exams is at smarturl.it/pass actuarial exams. Here you have information about online seminars and study manuals for exams P, FM, IFM, and LTAM that I offer. I direct the actuarial program at Illinois State University. You can find information about it at smarturl.it/actuary. If you would like to offer a tax-deductible donation to support our students, please go to smarturl.it/help-ISU actuary. Here's a problem for today. For exam FM, Financial Mathematics, Company X received the approval to start no more than 2 projects in the current calendar year. 3 different projects were recommended, each of which requires an investment of $800 to be made at the beginning of the year. The cash flows for each of the 3 projects are as follows. So Project A has cash flows of $500 first year, $500 second year, -$175 in the third year, $100 in the fourth year, and $0 in the fifth year. Project B, $500 in the first year, $300 in the second year, -$175 in the third year, $150 in the fourth year, and $200 in the fifth year. Project C has $500 in the first year, $250 in the second year, -$175 in the third year, $200 in the fourth year, and $200 in the fifth year. All of these cash flows come at the end of the year, and there is again -$800 cash flow at time 0. The company uses an annual effective interest rate of 10% to discount its cash flows. Determine which combination of projects the company should select. And here are the possible answer choices. A is projects A and B, B is projects B and C, C is projects A and C, D is project A only, E is project B only. And here's the solution. And I calculated the net present values at the prescribed rate of 10% for each of the projects. You can calculate this way. You just simply discount the cash flows at 10%. The initial cash flow is -$800, and then you have cash flows at times 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And when we discount like that, we see that the net present value of project A is $459, for project B is -$2.36, for project C is -$9.54. So the conclusion is that only project A has a positive net present value, and it should be funded. The other projects have negative net present value, so if you invest in them, you lose money. Of course, at the given cost of capital invested, so at 10%. If the cost of capital were different, things may be different, but as things are, they are money losers. It's maybe worthwhile noting that Project C's net present value does not need to be calculated in this process, because you can see that its cash flows are the same as Project B, except being 50 less at time 2 and 50 more at time 4. So it's basically the same money, but some of it comes later, and therefore Project C must be worse than Project B. And so, since Project B already has negative net present value and should be rejected, Project C will have negative present value that is even worse, and it should be definitely rejected as well. And choosing only Project A is answer D. Please remember, this is copyrighted material. The problem itself belongs to the Society of Actuaries. The solution is mine. Good luck in your studies, and good luck on the test.